Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Sensitive Serum is probably one of the most sought-after skincare products for individuals with sensitive skin, offering a potent blend of active ingredients to address various skin concerns without causing irritation or discomfort. This video will delve into the key factors to consider when selecting a face serum for sensitive skin, ensuring you find the perfect product to nourish and protect your complexion. Number 5. Tree of Life Vitamin C Set. This potent vitamin C serum revitalizes your complexion, fading dark spots and restoring a youthful glow. It provides antioxidant protection and promotes collagen production for firmer skin. Enriched with hyaluronic acid, it delivers intense hydration to plump and smooth your skin. This reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, leaving it supple and refreshed. It's crafted with natural ingredients like aloe vera and jojoba oil to soothe and nourish your skin. Free from harsh chemicals and parabens, it's gentle enough for daily use. Simply apply a few drops morning and night before your moisturizer. It absorbs quickly and layers well with other products. See noticeable improvements in skin texture and tone within weeks. It targets uneven skin tone, dullness, and fine lines, making it perfect for any age or skin type. What we like. If you have dark spots and uneven skin tone, this serum is your best bet. It's formulated with natural ingredients and a stable form of vitamin C to brighten your skin and promote collagen production for a youthful glow. If you're looking for a serum that's both effective and gentle, this is it. Number 4. La Roche-Posay Hyalu B5 Serum. This serum is a unique blend of hyaluronic acid, vitamin B5, and madecassoside. It's designed to hydrate and plump your skin, leaving it looking healthy and youthful. It contains pure hyaluronic acid, a powerful humectant that draws moisture into the skin. This helps to visibly plump and smooth your complexion. Vitamin B5, also known as panthenol, is included to soothe and repair the skin barrier. It helps to reduce redness and improve skin texture. Madecassoside is a powerful ingredient known for its soothing and anti-inflammatory properties. It helps to calm sensitive skin and reduce irritation. It's specially formulated to be gentle on even the most sensitive skin types. It's oil-free and non-comedogenic, so it won't clog pores. With regular use, you'll notice a visible improvement in your skin's plumpness, smoothness, and overall appearance. It helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Experience the transformative power of Hyalu B5 Serum. It's the perfect addition to your daily skincare routine for healthy, radiant skin. What we like. This serum is perfect if you want to visibly plump your skin and reduce the appearance of fine lines. It's formulated with hyaluronic acid and other soothing ingredients, making it ideal for sensitive skin. If you're looking for a hydrating serum that won't irritate your skin, this is the one for you. What people say. It is very light and smells amazing. A little goes a very long way as it is pretty thick. The lightweight, non-sticky texture absorbs quickly, leaving my skin feeling plump and hydrated without any greasiness. It's gentle, effective, and has become a staple in my daily skincare routine. Number 3. Aveeno Calm Plus Restore Moisturizer. This moisturizer is specially designed for sensitive skin. It's lightweight, fast-absorbing, and provides all-day comfort. It contains prebiotic oat and feverfew to soothe and calm irritated skin. These ingredients work together to replenish your skin's moisture barrier. Experience long-lasting hydration. It provides 24-hour moisture, keeping your skin feeling comfortable throughout the day. This gentle formula is fragrance-free, paraben-free, alcohol-free, dye-free, and phthalate-free. It's also non-comedogenic, meaning it won't clog your pores. In a clinical study, 97% of users noted that their skin felt less irritated, more tolerant, and more comfortable all day long. From a dermatologist-recommended brand for over 70 years, it's gentle and effective, even for the most sensitive skin types, including atopic or eczematic skin. What we like. If you have sensitive or eczema-prone skin, this moisturizer is a must-have. It's lightweight, fast-absorbing, and formulated with soothing ingredients like prebiotic oat and feverfew to calm irritated skin. If you're looking for a gentle, yet effective moisturizer that won't clog your pores, this is it. What people say. Fast-absorbing and hydrating. I've noticed a reduction of redness in 2 to 3 weeks of daily use. A little goes a long way too. Really effective on keeping my skin moisturized since I live in the desert. Not sticky in the slightest and leaves my skin soft. Good to put on before makeup primer, also no scent for sensitive skin. The texture is light and absorbs quickly without leaving any greasy residue, which is a huge plus. After using it consistently, I've noticed a significant improvement in my skin's overall appearance and feel. It's hydrating without being heavy, making it perfect for daily use. Super gentle, not irritating, no scent, absorbs quickly, eases tightness and dry feeling. This is strictly a moisturizer. There are no skin treatment ingredients, but that's fine with me. My skin looks better since I've been using this. Number 2. Aveeno Calm Plus Restore Serum. This lightweight serum is designed for sensitive skin. It's instantly absorbed, leaving your skin feeling soft and supple. It uses a unique triple oat formula to soothe and restore your skin's natural moisture barrier. Experience the calming benefits of feverfew. See the difference after just one use. It's clinically proven to be gentle, even on eczema-prone skin. This hypoallergenic serum is fragrance-free and free of harsh chemicals like parabens and dyes. It's fast-absorbing and non-comedogenic. For over 70 years, Aveeno has been a trusted name in skincare. This serum is a testament to our commitment to gentle yet effective solutions. Simply apply 3 to 4 drops to your hand and gently massage it onto your face. Enjoy the soothing hydration. What we like. Does your skin need a boost of hydration and a stronger moisture barrier? This serum is formulated with a triple oat complex to soothe and fortify your skin's moisture barrier, leaving it feeling soft and supple. If you're looking for a serum that will leave your skin feeling hydrated and healthy, this is the one for you. What people say. It adds a lovely glow to the skin without being greasy or just sitting on top. I could feel it sinking into my skin as I was applying it. That was extremely impressive to me. It has no scent and I haven't experienced any irritation, so I think it plays well with the other products I use in my skincare routine. This has left my skin feeling very hydrated and smooth. I use this first and then the gel moisturizer. This is my favorite face serum. Easily. It's the perfect texture. No crazy smell. Soft and silky. It works really well with my face toning tools. I absolutely love that it never bothers my skin or gives me any irritation. Number 1. Zealsea Hyaluronic Acid Serum. It delivers an intense hydration boost, leaving your skin radiant, plump, and youthful. Experience the difference of deep, lasting moisture. This serum is specially formulated for microneedling, deeply moisturizing and soothing your skin. It enhances your skin's natural barrier for optimal results. It's EWG certified, cruelty-free, and free of harsh ingredients like phenoxyethanol, parabens, and fragrances. It's suitable for even the most sensitive skin. The innovative hyaluronic acid provides multidimensional hydration. With regular use, you'll see noticeable improvements in your skin's texture and elasticity. It's a viral sensation on social media and a favorite among women and teens. It makes a perfect gift for friends and family. What we like. If you're looking for a serum that delivers intense hydration and is perfect for microneedling, this is it. It's formulated with hyaluronic acid and is EWG certified, making it safe for even the most sensitive skin. If you want a serum that will leave your skin feeling plump and youthful, this is the one. What people say. It feels good on skin and can use sunscreen on after it dries. This hyaluronic acid serum has a nice smooth texture and good absorption. It is not too thick and not too watery. The consistency is just right. The serum is amazing. It feels very nice and lightweight. It doesn't leave any sticky residue on my face. It feels very effective in moisturizing my face. There is no oiliness and sometimes I apply it by itself or I apply it as a base layer and then apply a face cream on top. It feels like great quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.